Of going back to school has to be gearing up with supplies, right? Sometimes I dip into that aisle even though I don't have a school-age child. Something snazzy for that first day is what it's all about. Whether you buy all new or you just dust off, wash up, and make it new again, you add a touch of that cool factor when you personalize your school supplies. It's easy enough to do with iron-ons from the craft store. Melissa Allen is here to share a few ideas. How are you? Thanks for being here.
I'm so good. It's good to be here,
There's
Brooke.
an obsession with that school supply aisle this time of year for all ages, right?
Yep, and you want everything to be personal.
Well, and I'm glad you're showing us this today because you mentioned the personalized factor. Graphic imagery is so popular, nameplates. I have to imagine this would be a huge hit with the little ones.
Yep, monograms are huge. You don't want the lunchbox getting lost at school, right?
Show us some of the projects then you brought with that personal touch in mind.
Absolutely. So we have a whole array of items that we have personalized. We have obviously just some fun, cute stuffies that were made with the Cricut Maker. We've personalized the backpack.
Now
that's another item.
That's
Isn't that
cool.
cute?
Yeah, that's a cool touch. Absolutely.
This is a fun one. So we know that food allergies are on the rise, and it's really important to have those medical, emergency contacts and the EpiPen at school. So this is a survival kit that you can tuck in the backpack that has all that information inside of it.
Nice. So it's all there ready to go, tucked in the backpack with the sparkly name on it.
Exactly.
Perfect. What else?
So we've also personalized some school uniforms. I don't know, a lot of the moms out there have kids that wear the same size and the school uniforms all look the same. We've got cheer bows, and then we've created some teacher gifts and a really cute memory-making t-shirt that kind of tracks your child as they grow throughout the years that we're gonna show.
Let's focus in on this t-shirt if we can, because every mom wants to do something on the first day of school with that first day of school photo, right?
Yeah.
To memorialize the day and to let mom know when you look back over the scrapbook what year that photo was taken. So personalizing a t-shirt is a fun way. The child throws the t-shirt on, mom pulls out the camera, and you're set.
Yep, exactly. So we've taken an adult-sized t-shirt because obviously they're going to grow into this over the years. And then on the front, can you believe it? Class of 2030 is going into kindergarten this year.
That makes my head hurt and spin all at the same time. 2030. But it's big, so the child then can grow into it year and year, and that year after year, and that helps kind of show the growth difference.
Yeah.
Fun.
And then on the back of the t-shirt, we have over here on the mannequin, we've actually put each grade year. So you can have your child tell you their favorite memory from the first day of school, and you write it next to that year, or at the end of the year you can have their teacher sign it and leave a special memory of your child.
Clever. Even just have them sign it. See how their handwriting changes, right, from K to 12 as the cursive evolves and the handwriting becomes a little more polished. You could easily do this with iron-on letters that you get at the craft store if you're lucky enough to have a machine that makes the process a lot easier.
Yep, so these are the pre-cut letters. They come in, some different fonts and different colors. We picked up a pack of those, but we've obviously cut ours out of the exact font that we want and the exact size. So do you want to go ahead and apply this to the t-shirt and see how easy it is?
Let's do it.
Awesome. So this is the Cricut Easy Press. This is what we're going to use, but you can also do this with your iron at home.
So it's like a big iron, basically.
Exactly. It's really nice and lightweight, and that makes it super easy. So I'm going to have you take this t-shirt, and you're going to put it on this silicone mat.
Fold it up, fold it out.
Spread it out so it's nice and smooth.
Spread her out, okay.
And we already have our settings programmed in, so it's for this exact material and this exact type of iron-on. So this is how easy it is. We've cut out the letters, we've removed all the excess pieces from around them. Now you're gonna put that where you want it on the t-shirt.
Okay. I'm a little picky. I'll stop short of saying OCD, but let's center this, can we? Can we make
get out the construction equipment and the level?
Exactly, exactly.
So now you're gonna press this down with one hand, and all you have to do is just hit that Cricut button.
What is that gonna do?
It's gonna count down the time for you, and you know that it's ready to go when it beeps.
So again, similar to an iron, but gives you a lot more surface to cover, right? So we're not like rubbing and going side to side and making sure we hit every corner with the heat.
Exactly. One thing I love too is you really want consistent heat, and that can be really difficult to get with an iron. But again, we want to use the tools that we have, right? So we're going to place that on the cradle. That protects our surface from the heat.
Okay, if you were using an iron, would you go to the steam setting, or what's your tip there?
No steam. You want to go on a dry setting. Exactly. So we're going to let it cool because you don't want to burn your fingers, right?
No, we don't want that to happen, especially with cameras to catch the action.
Exactly. Okay, so then all you do is you just lift up the corner and see the letters are stuck down.
I'm going to let you do it, yeah.
I like to wiggle it back and forth, and it's just that easy.
Look at that. I'll hold this up. class of 2030, still not sure how I feel about that, but the actual project itself is so cute. So cute. Okay, another idea for us, you mentioned the teacher gift.
Yeah, so you always want to have something special for the new teacher, make a good impression, get off on the right foot, right? So we've created these super cute coasters that are cut out of felt in a hexagon. So, you know, you could do that with scissors as well, or you do it again with the machine.
And you've done a monogram.
And we've done a monogram, so it's personalized to the teacher. And then we've also decorated a coffee mug. You could do a water bottle as well.
How do you get it on the mug? Stickers?
So this is vinyl.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And then there's a special material called transfer tape. Just like that clear plastic we pulled off of the iron-on, there's a counterpart material that's used for adhesive vinyl.
Nice, nice. Now, how have you gotten this cool shape of this particular coaster?
So the way that we did it, this is Cricut Design Space on my iPad, and we have thousands and thousands and thousands of projects that are pre-designed into the design space. So you can pick from those. In fact, if we just search coaster, look, there's even coaster projects already in there.
Nice.
But we like to go a little custom, right? Especially with the monogram. So we've actually designed it right within this software. And then this connects to the machine with Bluetooth. So it transmits the information over. And why don't I just show you this piece? So we lift up the lid.
Yeah.
And it opens up magically.
Oh, see, technology makes my head spin, kind of like the 2030 number did, okay?
The nice part about this is it does all the heavy lifting for you.
Okay.
So we've applied the felt to a sticky mat, and again, same felt that you'd be cutting with scissors otherwise.
Right.
And then it just tucks underneath these guides.
And it's going to cut through the fabric, cut through the felt just fine?
Exactly, yep. So this new machine, it has an amazing new technology. It has a rotary blade built in, and the blade is actually directionally controlled. It's part of the adaptive tool system.
Okay.
So that allows you to cut things like this plush fabric.
Cute.
Cotton for your quilts and things in addition to the iron-on
Neat to
materials.
see how that's advanced, right? How those cutters have advanced.
Yeah.
We'll let that machine do its business. We saw the finished project. So fun to personalize for back to school. Melissa, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Good to have you. Good to have you.